the students, and welcome to the virtual class. Today we will see a new topic in writing skill, that is the essay writing. So basically what is the essay writing? It is a description about or related to the topic, or you give the in detail information about related to the topic. There are the types of essay. Okay, from first to fourth standard, students, you must have read so many essay. But you know what? There are the different types of essay, and they have the different way for writing. Some are the narrative, expository, descriptive, persuasive. Okay, narrative, which is tells the story, story of some famous personality. Expository, that explains something. That means if you are writing the essay on internet, on computer, in that in that story you will learn, you will gain some knowledge, and it's explain you something. Descriptive, that means puts a picture in your head. Okay, so for example, time is a money. Time is a money. Okay, so uh, time is a money. How it's possible? Why we are comparing time with the money? To explain this concept, I will write the essay and explain each and everything, and it puts a picture in your head. Persuasive, that means audience to agree that the same point. Same example I will give, that time is the money. Okay, so you will people start comparing कि time और money अलग अलग points है, तो ये एक जैसे क्यों है? Time is definitely is a money. I will explain this concept with the help of my explanation, detailed descriptive, which I will write in a essay. Okay, so student, there are the various types of essay. Okay, that is narrative, descriptive, expository, persuasive. We have lots of types of essay, but according to your standard level we have explained all this four. Now what is an essay? Essay is a piece of writing about a particular subject or topic. It should be a readable and understandable. It's not like that you have written anything on it, कुछ भी लिख दोगे और छोड़ दोगे. It's not like your content, it's correlate with your topic. Whatever your topic, it should be correlate with your paragraph, and it should be understandable also. Our readers should be understandable. Why this is important? Because it increase the ability to read and write. As I told you, student, writing skill is organized. The it's it's developed overall skill. It's in built overall skill with in you students. Okay, it gives you confidence to write each and everything. It gives you confidence to speak up the difficult words. Because I'll give you one example. Most of the peoples are there who are able to speak in English, who can able to conversation with other people in English, but they are not knowing how to write the spelling of that words. Okay, so the writing skill is important, student, that not only to enhance your conversation but enhance your writing skill also. Okay, it is a discipline. It is communicate clearly with an authority. Okay, exploring your learning. It's exploring your learning skill. Now the structure of essay writing. First you have to put the introduction. आपका जो भी टॉपिक है उस टॉपिक को आपको एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट देना है. Then after your main body it can be one or more paragraph, and then after your conclusion, which you must have heard so many times in a different types of writing skill. Conclusion, that means your closing caption. Now what will come in a main body? That will come idea, concept, and the facts. Okay, whatever your idea, whatever your concept and the facts, you can give the example also. Divided into three paragraphs. There it should be a logical sequence. Okay, it's not like that. There it's illogical things, illogical words, illogical sentence or situations are there. It must be some logical things are there. What is the conclusion? Sum up all what is written. Avoid avoid erupted ending. Okay, you have to avoid such kinds of bad impressions ending. Okay, जो आपका conclusion होगा, it should give a good message or the good lines. All right, that is your conclusion, that is the last one. Okay, all right, so this is all about the essay student, essay writing. One of the example of our essay, my ideal school. Okay, my ideal school. Now here the students is sharing his experience or sharing the feelings that the school is the ideal for that particular child. Okay, it is just a topic. Now for explaining this topic, here we have the paragraph. अब स्कूल उसके लिए आइडियल है, बट हाउ इट इज़ आइडियल, so for that he or she will explain in detail in this paragraph, that is the essay writing. Okay, so it is all about today's